Every parent wants to raise their children in a way that prepares them to live fulfilled, happy, productive lives. I'm trying to be the best father or mother in the world. This is what every parent aspires for. But how to make your child successful in future, whether monetarily or otherwise? I am Bharti Bhaskaran. I'm here to share few tips about how to raise your child so that they become successful in future. I wish to help 100,000 parents to create a conducive environment for their children so that they can blossom into their highest potential. So let's begin. So, given how important financial skills are to navigating life, it's surprising that our schools don't teach children about money. As a parent, however, you can teach your child important financial lessons. Children as young as 3 years old can grasp financial concepts like saving and spending. This is a hard concept for people to learn of all ages. However, the ability to delay gratification can also predict how successful one will be as grown up. Kids at this age need to learn that if they really want something, they should wait and save to buy it. So you can create 3 jars, each labeled saving, spending, and sharing. Every time your child receives money, whether for doing chores or from a birthday, divide the money equally among the jars. Have him or her use the spending jar for small purchases like candy or stickers. Money in the sharing jar can go to someone who needs it, or be used to donate to a friend's cause. The saving jar should be for more expensive items. Okay, now how to introduce kids to money. Money gives people both young and old decision making opportunities. Educating, motivating, and empowering children to become regular savers and investors will enable them to keep more of the money they earn and do more with the money they spend. Everyday spending decisions can have a far more negative impact on children's financial futures than any investment decision they may ever make. As soon as children can count, introduce them to money. Take an active role in providing them with information. Observation and repetition are 2 important ways children learn. Communicate with children as they grow about your values concerning money, how to save it, how to make it grow, and most importantly, how to spend it wisely. Help children learn the differences between needs, wants, and wishes. This will prepare them for making good spending decisions in the future. As parents, we are our children's biggest cheerleaders. So when they fail, which they inevitably will, and that's not a bad thing, we need to encourage them to pick themselves back up again. Simple phrases like, "Why don't you try again?" or "Let's give it another shot" goes a long way. Kids can easily get frustrated, but it's essential for them to learn to try again. Encourage them to keep trying. Don't let them quit easily. Your kids are probably involved in some activities, whether it's playing an instrument, participating in sports, or attending the after school engineering club. It's important, whatever the activity is, we parents encourage our kids to stick with it. Let them see a task from start to finish. Allow them to make mistakes and then learn from them. Talk openly about money with and around your kids. It's never too early to start discussing money with your kids. Lead by example. Practice what you preach. You are your kids' most visible and important role model. Kids are perceptive and they will often pick up on cues even when you don't explicitly call them out. But your message will ring clearer and stick longer with some good natured repetition. With that in mind, here are some things you can do to get your kids and perhaps yourself on the saving bandwagon. Discuss wants versus needs, let them earn their own money, set savings goals, provide a place to save, have them track spending offer savings incentives, leave room for mistakes, act as their creditor. So these things you can do to make your child learn about savings. You have to talk about money. You have to discuss about money with your children. It must be an ongoing discussion whether you schedule a regular weekly check-in to talk about money or make money chats part of your daily round. The key is to keep the conversation going. The bottom line is teach your children to save. Day only comes once a year, but there are lessons to be learned for parents and kids alike all year long. If you are a parent, making saving a regular part of your child's routine can lay the foundation for a bright financial future. Make your children do chores, household chores, whether it is mowing the grass, taking out the trash, washing dishes, walking the dog, or folding laundry. When I was growing up, my parents were always assigning me chores. I hated it, but thankfully they didn't ease up. It taught me the value of hard work and collaborating to get things done. One of us kids washed the dishes, another dried. Most importantly, it taught me responsibility. And also, you can create family rituals. Research has found that children with strong social skills in kindergarten will thrive as adults. One of the best and most enjoyable ways to encourage these social skills is with family rituals. These family rituals could be as simple as cooking meals together, family game night, evening walks, annual vacations. Consider weekly family meetings to review what you did and didn't do well in the past week and what you will work on in the coming week. Having strong relationship is essential for children's growth and psychological well-being. Children who do not have meaningful relationship tend to perform poorly in school, are more likely to get in trouble with the law, and often develop psychiatric problems. So help your children foster healthy and strong relationship with, playing outside with friends, participation in activities they enjoy. Teach them how to manage their emotions and resolve conflicts by helping them develop their emotional intelligence. So with this, we have come to an end to this video, and I hope you liked this video. Whatever it is, please do leave us your feedback and any comments that you wish to pass on this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and do subscribe.